Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can change the background of the picture color easily only with your PicsArt. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your PicsArt application. Wait until the PicsArt application is perfectly open, and then you just need to tap into this plus button, and you just need to pick the picture that you want to remove the background or change the background. You just need to find the pictures here, and let's say I would like to do it this person, and now you just need to go click X here. Now the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this button feature, slide into the left side until you got the cut out. So you just need to tap into the cut out here, go click the person, and the application with the AI technology will highlighting or isolate the person's object on the picture, and then you just need to go click save. The next thing you need to do is take a look on this button, go tap it, and you will got these two options. Go click the background. Now you just need to change the background color by you tap into the color, and then you just need to pick the newest color that you want to get. If there is no color you want in these options, you can just go tap into this rainbow circles, and then you just need to pick one of the color and adjusting into the specific color that you want to get here. Adjusting just depending to what you want and what you need, and then just tap into this checklist button. Oh my bad. Adjusting again because I lost it a little bit. A moment. Great. Click the checklist button right here, and now you already got the newest background for your picture. Download it to save your picture here. That's the way how you can change the background easily with the PicsArt. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.